Hi everyone, here is given that 4 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start how to solve it. So here is given that 4 power x plus 4 power x equal to 1. Now this becomes 2 times 4 power x equal to 1, dividing by 2 both sides. Here is 2 divided by 2, 4 power x is equal to 1 divided by 2. So this becomes 1, therefore 4 power x is equal to 1 by 2. Now this becomes 2 power 2 whole power x. Now 1 by 2 can be written as 2 power minus 1. Now 2 power 2x equal to 2 power minus 1. Now comparing both sides, we get 2 power x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore the required answer is minus 1 by 2. So our answer is minus 1 by